Hello YouTube, I want to do a quick parts list on this Samsung television. Hopefully you guys can see everything here. It looks pretty good. Okay. Here's a picture of the whole television. Alright, that looks great. You got power supply, main, and T-Con, 3 boards, and a giant subwoofer speaker over here. First thing we want to look at is panel. Alright, that looks great. T-Con is next. Part number's there also. That looks great. The main or the power supply is right here. Alright, and the part number is perhaps this one here. Let me see. Is that it? No, it's not. Where is the part number? Where is the part number? Maybe down here? No, it's not. Where is the part number? That's what happened when I don't prepare myself for these videos. They take a lot longer. Where is the part number on this thing? I don't know where the part number is. I have no idea. I have no clue. Sorry about this, YouTube. I like my video. Oh, there we go. That looks good. That's the part number for that power supply. And here's the main board. Let me move this television over here. The main board is right there. Alright, that looks great. And the part number is maybe this one. I don't think that's it. Maybe it's on that label somewhere. Come on. These cameras are useless. Alright, here's the part number, the BN number. Thanks for watching, YouTube. Have a great day.